fucking excited.
They would have only done like $60 for that.
Yeah, right now. Okay.
I got this, but.
Espérate. Oh, I don't have my gun on me.
Huh? No. It's like,
Mira, Richard, mi casa es tu casa. Bacardi. Hell yeah. I need to go to a tequila factory. Checking.
Checking for real, dale, checking.
Checking. Just don't tag Nathan.
Yeah, don't tag me.
I'm not gonna tag you. You're not in my location. Oh yeah, I need to check her in too. Leave that.
Well, today I'm not.
It's in bed with a computer.
No, with a mic.
With a migraine.
I didn't record it, no! Damn. Got y'all.
You suck.
Really?
He says to me before he does it, you know.
I slam on the brake and hit this. It works every time.
Let it go.
No, not every time.
It does every time.
No, you gotta let go.
Mi teléfono, baby. Okay. Oh. But why enemy?
You know.
Die, coño.
I gotta give you a hard time because I'm gonna miss you guys.
Alright, so where's the Bacardi? Where can I go drink? Can I have a couple drinks before we get on the plane?
If you buy them, I don't care.
Mira, Richard.
So we're here at the Bacardi factory. Did the tour here in Puerto Rico. Look at this dragon though, bro. I don't even know where I'm going.
Yo quiero uno de esos también. Yo quiero un sticker.
Eso no es un sticker.
Yo sé que no es un sticker, nene.
Es un stamp.
What's the tax on it, babe? So it's like $15.90. Oh, that's 6% Maryland. What was that?
It's 6%. 6% plus 4%.
¿En inglés o en español la explicación? En inglés. These are your souvenir cups. Souvenir cups. With the tokens, you can go to the bar and have your welcome drink.
No, yo me quiero quedar con esto.
And
I don't know if I want to
the tour is going to start right now.
Okay.
So you can pass to the trolley and you can have your welcome drink when you came back home.
Okay.
We can't keep this allowed.
No.
You have no other choice but to trade it. Somebody's missing theirs. Where did I come in?
That's your cup.
And somebody's missing a coin.
I have my coin.
Is that you have your coin? You have your coin?
I'm gonna keep it. My friends hate me. What?
You can also see the Fort San Felipe del Morro, which was built in the 16th century. And also to the right side are wind turbines. We actually installed them in March of 2010. Bacardi was the first company in Puerto Rico to do so. They save us around $75,000 a year in electric bills.
Wow.
And provide us about 10% of the energy that we need for the distillery. Now if you look to the left, that's the pavilion where we started the tour. As you can see, it has a weird shape. That's actually an abstract shape of a bat in flight. It was designed by Spanish architect Felix Candela, and it was built in 1962 for Bacardi's 100th anniversary. Here to the right side, these are the executive offices. Many people ask if any member of the Bacardi family still work here. The answer to that is yes. In fact, the company is still privately owned by the Bacardi family, and there are about 500 members of the Bacardi family worldwide. Here to the right side, that's the Bacardi Family Museum, where they exhibit small barrels that have inside a very special blend of Bacardi rum, which is a rum made for the 150th anniversary. It's a rum that aged 23 years in the barrels, and they only made a few bottles of this particular rum. Each bottle is worth about $4,000.
Turn up.
As I turn the corner, if you take a look to your right, this whole area here would be our distillery. The building in the corner is the new blending facility. That's where the master blender, Joe Gomez, who has been here for about 39 years, is the one working with the secret formulas, mixing the bases, which I will explain later what those bases are. And those bases are actually the ones that make up Bacardi rum. If you saw the columns, those were the distillation columns that we use. We have 5 distillation columns made of stainless steel and copper. And this tall building here, this is the main building that leads us to the distillery. The distillery was actually christened as the Cathedral of Rum in 1958 by the governor at the time, Luis Muñoz Marin. And we operate 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We produce more than 100,000 liters of alcohol a day. This train here, this is a replica of the trains used back in the 1900s to carry around the sugarcane in Puerto Rico. The reason why we love sugarcane is because we use molasses to produce our rum, and molasses is a byproduct of sugarcane. To the right side, that tall grass-like plant, that would be sugarcane. Also, those blue tanks that you see to the right side, those are the fermentation tanks. We have 20 of them. Each one has to be more than 55,000 gallons. Alright, we're here at the visitor center. When we head inside, we'll continue with the tour. So please wait until I stop. You'll be exiting through the right side, which means the left glass doors.
Esta es la foto que vi. Damn, look at this.
We need a picture. Okay.
Un selfie. Ay, bendito. Uno por uno, así nunca llegamos.
Okay. I look pretty? Yes.
Selfie todo el mundo.
No. Oh my god. You made a weird face.
Bendito.
You're not. Move this way a little bit. There you go. Oh, really weird face.
Everybody. My name is Amy. I'm going to continue to be your tour guide for today. And this is actually the first room that we're going to be visiting. This room here is a replica of a colonial courtyard. So if you have the chance to go to Old San Juan and walk around, you see the fountain, you see this particular style, which actually comes from Spain, which is where the founder of Bacardi also originally came from, which was Spain. In the middle, we have the back. We're going to be talking about the Bacardi that later in the tour. You're going to find out the reason why they chose that as our trademark. And also, if you guys gather around, let's just talk about some of the things that we see around. If you want to flavor it, you can. It's a very thick. It has a particular smell. And it tastes good. I mean, it's not bad. But this is how we start, and we go through a very lengthy process to get from this all the way to Bacardi rum. Starting with aging, that would be the longest part of the process because we do age in the barrels for the least amount of time is 1 year, but we can age all the way up to 23 years. And there's no shortcut for that. It's literally in there for 1 year, 2, 3, all the way up to 23 years, which is the most that we can age here in the Caribbean because of how hot it is and because of the evaporation of the alcohol from the barrel. But I will talk a little bit more about that later in the tour. Over here we have the mural of when the sugarcane falls.
Do we keep walking? Okay. Don't Falcon. No, not this way.
Is this all actually working?
I think this is show. This has to be show. There you go.
destroyed. It's fully destroyed.
They said the week prior they've been in the building. Take, yeah. We've done the Jack Daniels and Evan Williams and Jim Beam and Jack Daniels.
These are real invoices.
Jack Daniels is
Hey, think about it. How much more was this worth at that time?
Huh?
How much more was that worth?
Well, how much more is it now? That's
That's
the
what I'm
question.
saying. Like how
Yeah.
much? Like what happened to us? How much? That is like
What's the date?
how much?
Holy shit, that's a lot.
1946. What was money like in 1946? Right, that's what I'm saying.
That's like that has to be like millions.
But this is
Yeah.
That's millions, right?
Probably.
No, not
We could
millions.
actually get our picture taken at the desk.
That's
Yeah,
that's dope.
millions.
Oh, the table? Hey, take one.
YOLO.
Alright. Wait. Do it. 1, 2, 3.
This is cool.
Let me do my UFC pose.
My use is this guy.
I didn't get the
No,
UFC
I was
pose.
joking. I was joking.
Check the
Me and
picture.
my cousins, we do that. Our UFC.
Rini, tu teléfono. Toma la manga.
The movie theaters where you can get drinks and
Yeah. Wait, what is this?
There's actual rum in here for you to smell the different
Really?
flavors.
What is it?
There's like rum in here for you to smell the different
Oh yeah. I don't think I can smell it right now.
What? This smells like bacon. Smell it. It smells like bacon beef
serious?
jerky. Like
Let me see.
It
it
does.
smells like bacon jerky.
Oh wow.
Ooh, girl, this will fuck you up.
Aguardiente, loco. Look.
Oh, is that
I
what-
know.
Is it really?
Bro, smell. Take a big whiff of that.
Whoa.
Yes.
I didn't even get that close.
God.
Oh, damn.
Mira, ven acá. You're gonna get drunk just smelling.
Yeah, for real. That one.
Really?
That one's lit.
Well, I can smell it from over here.
No, but you gotta get in there. That's what he said.
That one smells like bacon jerky.
Pero huele, but
See.
you can taste it.
I know. That's why I said I wasn't kidding. You could get drunk just smelling that.
Oh my God, bro.
Which
Woo.
was that?
I don't know, pero es.
Special reserve. Guys, another one.
Oh my God, I want that one. That thing is insane. Dude, do we make our own seal here? Cause that would be dope.
Oh,
That's Maker's
Whoa.
Mark, isn't it?
Check it
No,
out.
they do the same thing.
It's like Maker's Mark.
Well, yeah.
Well, Maker's Mark do the same thing.
It's a special edition one. They
Yeah.
start at the top.
Bro, not that. This is smooth.
which one is it?
That one's smooth.
Which one is it?
Legacy.
Yeah.
No, but smell that one.
I think this is.
That's smooth.
You would die.
I said I think.
Yes.
You would legit die.
But which
Ese
one?
está cabrón. Este.
Este.
That would. Look.
What is this? Casa Bacardi special?
Smooth.
Yeah. Well, let me smell.
That one smells good.
It's just I'm never ready for it.
That's the thing.
Oh, hold on, let me do that. It's a video.
Guys, so gather around. I'm going to talk to you about some of our products. Some of these are brand new drums that we just received. Those two at the end, we've seen those around. Those have been around for a
Yeah.
long time, since
Yep.
the 1800s. Well, not that much, but yeah. And these are actually the most popular rums. These are the rums that you want to make all sorts of cocktails with. If you're having a barbecue at your house, you want to get yourself 5 bottles of Bacardi Superior, some juices, some sodas, and people can just serve their own cocktails. Everything's going to taste good with Bacardi Superior. It's a rum that mixes very well. If you just
So I go back to today and make a no straw pledge.
Huh? Just finished the Bacardi tour. Had fun time. It was awesome. I hate my sister right now because she had something that I really wanted. She bought something I really wanted. What? I know, I saw it. I hate her. Anyways, we had fun, so we're gonna go now eat at the mall, and then we are going to go to the airport. So I'll see you guys later.